If you've ever wished you could earn money without constantly working, if you've ever dreamed of waking up and seeing your bank balance increase overnight, then stay right here, because in this video, I'm revealing the real passive income secret. Make money while you sleep. And no, this is not one of those unrealistic fantasies you see on social media. This is real, practical, step-by-step income that thousands of people are using right now in 2025 to generate daily revenue, even while they are not online. If you've been searching for a way to escape the stress of active work, unstable jobs, long commutes, or endless shifts, this is the moment where everything finally becomes clear. Because once you understand how passive income actually works, you'll never go back to trading time for money again. Imagine this: you go to sleep at night, you wake up the next morning, and while you are resting, your digital assets, your online systems, and your automated tools continue generating income for you. That feeling of checking your phone and seeing new payments, new customers, new affiliate sales, or new downloads appearing while you're still brushing your teeth, that is the magic of passive income. And the crazy part is, you don't need experience, you don't need money, and you don't need a big audience to get started. The only real requirement is willingness to start, because the passive income secret, make money while you sleep, is built on simple systems that run 24/7, even when you're busy living your life. People think passive income is complicated, but the biggest truth is, passive income starts small. You build one digital asset, you set it up one time, and it keeps working for you for months or even years. Look at the biggest influencers, entrepreneurs, or creators online. They don't make money from a single job. They make money from digital products, affiliate links, online systems, content that ranks on Google, YouTube automation, ebooks, templates, and many more streams that keep earning long after the work is done. Now here's another thing most people don't understand. Passive income in 2025 is completely different from passive income in the past. Today, you have AI tools, automation tools, template systems, drag-and-drop platforms, and software that transforms beginners into earners in days, not months. Google Trends, VidIQ, and TubeBuddy all show that passive income, make money while you sleep, and AI income systems are among the highest volume, lowest competition keywords this year, which means the demand is exploding and there is massive opportunity for new beginners. So if you're watching this video right now, you're early, and that's your biggest advantage. Let's talk about digital products first, because they are one of the strongest ways to apply the passive income secret. Make money while you sleep. When you create something once, a digital guide, a template, a planner, a journal, a digital course, an editable file, you can sell it again and again without ever recreating it. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip allow complete beginners to upload digital items and earn money automatically. People are making $10, $20, $50, $50, or even $100 per sale. One digital planner selling 4 times a day at $25 means $100 in daily passive income, even while asleep. Another massive earning opportunity is YouTube automation. This doesn't require your face, your voice, or your personal brand. You choose a niche like luxury facts, motivation, relationships, money, celebrity stories, or relaxing music. AI tools generate scripts, AI voices narrate them, copyright-free clips form the visuals, and the channel runs on autopilot. Once a video ranks and starts getting views, it continues bringing in AdSense money 24/7. Some channels make $10 per day, some $100, some even $500 or more from old videos. And when you follow VidIQ and TubeBuddy keyword recommendations like sleep income, AI wealth, make money passive, financial freedom 2025, your chances of ranking increase instantly. One of the most underrated passive income sources in 2025 is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product you love, but you don't build the product. You don't store inventory. You don't ship anything. You don't support customers. You simply recommend something through your unique link and get paid. Amazon Associates, Digistore, Tafora, ClickBank, Impact, And brand affiliate programs are paying people anywhere from 5% to 50% commissions. Imagine recommending a $50 product and earning $10 every time someone buys it. If 10 people purchase while you sleep, that's $100 passive income overnight. Beginners are using TikTok Reels, Pinterest Pins, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram carousels to drive traffic without showing their faces. Now let's talk about the power of AI-generated assets. This is new, this is rare, and this is extremely profitable. You can create AI art prints, AI wallpapers, AI coloring books, AI storybooks, and AI templates and sell them as passive digital products. You can create 50 pieces in one day and upload them to Etsy or Creative Fabrica. Once uploaded, every sale becomes pure profit. This is one of the fastest growing passive income markets, according to Google searches this year. Another method is building an automated online store with print on demand. You design shirts, hoodies, posters, mugs, and accessories, but you don't ship anything. When a customer buys, the print-on-demand company prints and sends the product. You keep the profit. Once your store has designs ranking on Google, Pinterest, and Etsy SEO, you start earning in your sleep. But here's something most people ignore: an email list. This is the most powerful passive income engine. Even a list of 500 people can generate daily income through automatic emails. Every automated email sequence can recommend digital products, affiliate links, or services while you sleep. The email list becomes your 24/7 money machine. Now let's talk about long-term passive income. It becomes a lifetime stream. Blog, websites. Yes, blogging is still extremely profitable if you use high-volume, low-competition keywords. Google Trends shows massive growth in niche blog topics like finance, cooking, relationships, health, parenting, pets, gardening, and side hustles. You write one blog, optimize it with SEO, and it ranks for months. Each visitor earns you money through ads with no extra work. Here's something powerful. One blog post can earn for years. One YouTube video can earn for years. One digital product can earn for years. One automated system can earn for years. When you build multiple assets, you're multiplying your passive income. That is the real passive income secret. Make money while you sleep, building small digital systems that grow over time. Now I want you to imagine what your life would look like 30 days from now if you picked just one of these methods and started today. Imagine waking up and seeing new notifications. Imagine earning money without being physically present. Imagine having time freedom, the ability to work when you want, rest when you want, travel when you want, and live life on your own schedule. Passive income is not just about money. It's about time, freedom, and peace of mind. Most people won't start because they think it's too late. But the truth is, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. You don't need perfection. You just need action. Because the moment you begin is the moment your future changes. And here's your CTA. If you want step-by-step methods, templates, tools, links, and more passive income secrets, make sure you follow the channel and watch the next video right after this one. For more powerful income strategies, visit the channel now.